In this video, we will talk about how to reverse a link. This question is very important in case of interview perspective because lot of interviewers ask this in interviews. So let's start. We have a linked list with 4 nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now our task is to reverse them. And there are a couple of ways to reverse it, but we will do it by modifying the link between the nodes. So let's assume we have 3 pointers, prev, current and next. Prev for holding address of previous node. Currently there is no previous node, so it's pointing to null. Then we have a current pointer which points to the current processing node. And the last is next pointer, which points to the next node. Now what will happen? First current node will point to previous node. And there is no node before it, so it will point to null. After this, prev pointer will move to the current node. And current will move to next node. And next move forward. We have reversed one node, now move on to the second node. Repeat the same 4 steps again. Make the current node points to previous node. Move previous pointer to current. And current to next and next to next. Now repeat the same steps for third node as well. Now let's reverse the final node. Change the link between the nodes to previous node and move prev pointer to current and current to next. Now both current and next pointing to null. Prev is pointing to last node, which is our new head now. So we have reversed the linked list. Hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button that motivates me to create more videos like this.